In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display language on Coursera. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so the site appears in the language you prefer. First, head to Coursera.org in your web browser and log into your account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're on the main site after signing in. If you're already logged in, you can stay right where you are. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your name or your profile picture. Click that to open a small menu, and then choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage general preferences for your Coursera experience. On the Settings page, stay in the Account section. Here you'll find a drop-down labeled Language. This setting controls the language used across the Coursera interface, things like navigation menus, buttons, and account pages. It doesn't change the language of course videos or readings, but it does change the way the site itself communicates with you. Click the language drop-down to open the list of available options. Scroll until you find the language you want to use and select it. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the exact option you need, especially if there are regional variations of the same language. After selecting your language, look for the Save button on the page and click it. This is important. Your choice won't take effect unless you save. You should see a brief confirmation or a subtle update indicating that your preferences have been stored. To apply the change right away, refresh the page. You can do this by clicking your browser's refresh button or using your usual refresh shortcut. After the page reloads, the Coursera interface should appear in the language you just selected. If you're navigating to a different page and don't see the change immediately, give it another quick refresh and it should update across the site. A quick note for clarity, changing the site language affects Coursera's menus and account pages. Course content, such as subtitles and transcripts, is managed within each course or video and may have its own language settings. If you need subtitles or captions in a different language, open the video player and adjust the subtitle options there. That's it. You've successfully changed your display language on Coursera. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, return to the same settings page, pick a new option, click Save and refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make Coursera more comfortable and accessible in the language that suits you best.